I'm so sorry. I never thought that this day would come. Oh God! Why does this have to be? Oh baby, I love you so much. I'm so sorry it has to be this way. I love you.
Anna, it's okay. Shh. I think I can miss someone coming.
Hey, did you get it?
Yeah, I heard something. Let's keep moving around.
Hey, they got the noise. Did you hear it?
Sound like girls.
Yeah, let's check it out.
I think I see it. Let's go.